Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, according to your respective time zones. We are Team Undercover. Our team consists of four members. I am Muskan, and along with me, I have Dhanush, Anzar, and Yajat. The challenge we chose is the challenge number one, that is, digital learning and education. With a lot of brainstorming and research, we came up with a solution for the problem faced by 20% of the population: dyslexia. Dyslexia is a disorder that makes reading difficult for individuals. We plan to assist dyslexic students with reading using AI technologies because, due to the pandemic, education has moved online and many have adapted to the change, but struggle for such students with learning disorders remains the same. Presenting Read Easy.
So Read Easy is an accessibility tool which aims to assist people suffering from dyslexia to read and understand better with visualization and AI-assisted speech engine. We offer state-of-the-art features that include text and font control, visualization, text-to-speech, spellings and phonetics, assessment and quizzes, all in one dashboard aimed to help the people learn better.
But wait, why do we need this solution?
Dyslexia is a mental condition that affects a person's ability to read and write. This makes it extremely difficult for the person to fit into a traditional way of learning. Only 3% of the resources on the internet or curriculum are converted or tailored to suit such people because they say it is hard to adapt. Lack of resources and research have made learning with disabilities even more tough. This also affects the person's will to pursue education. This is how a person with dyslexic vision is able to see things.
To enable the creation of this platform, the following tech stack has been used. The front end is based on a framework called as Svelte, and the back end is purely written in Python. Based on top of some OCR technologies like Tesseract and Web Speech APIs, we embed the following technologies which will be demonstrated in the code demo. This is the welcome screen of the sign up page. The users over here can enter a name, email address, and password and choose their respective role. Based on what they choose, they will be redirected to the respective dashboards. If they already have an account, they can sign in sign up into the sign in page and enter the credentials and it will redirect. Example, in this case, the teacher's email address is written and the password is given, and when the login button is clicked, it is taken to the teacher's dashboard. Currently, we have a list of courses which the teacher has created, but we will go ahead and create a new course. We will give a title for the course. And then we will add a new document inside the course. This is how the document looks like, and it contains all texts, and it is the same way that we usually read things. But this platform enables people like to use it and view words in a better way. So when they upload the document and submit it, it will be visible in the courses page. And when the document is clicked, it takes to the immersive reader as shown here. The immersive reader contains an option pan which has an array of different features shown here. They can control the font size, font spacing, and given the choice, they can read out the words, spell the words, and also visualize it. Let's first go to the reading of each word.
Night. Peter. Pan. Took. Wendy. John. And Michael. His.
Like you see here, the speech reader automatically reads those words, and it can be controlled manually by highlighting the specific word. Now, for example, it is said that certain students cannot visualize the words that they read. This is the tool which will help them to visualize. So when we select a word and click on the button visualize it, it brings up a picture which will enable them to understand what the word actually means and what it represents. We also have a feature called as spell highlighted words, which will enable them to understand what are the letters which constitute the word. For example, in this word
C
children,
H I L D R E N.
now we have another feature which is called as assessment. The assessment feature enables us to track the learning curve of a student and how well the platform has helped him understand and learn. For example, here we have a word PAN, pan, and we have a canvas where the student can draw the letter. Our state-of-the-art OCR handwriting technology identifies if the word is correct or wrong and then displays it. The corrected letter is given as 1. Corrected letter is 2. So this will enable us to see whether the student has completely understood what each letters are, and we can track the way they write, and which will be used to predictively analyze how well the student actually learns.
What we just saw was just the tip of the iceberg. Read Easy does not intend to stop here. Our first future goal is to build a system that assists individuals with learning disabilities in many more ways. Because we believe that if a child can't learn the way we teach, maybe we should teach the way they learn.
Our second goal is to do a predictive analysis of learning behavior. As every child is unique and has a different manner of capturing concepts and ideas, we aim to analyze a child's study habits and predict the optimum approach for them to learn. Which leads us to our final goal, that is building an adaptive platform. Our entire platform will be built in such a way that all the users can adjust and modify material at any time to improve readability and navigation.
This brings us at the end of our presentation. Thank you.